door shut, wouldn't it?
That'd be hilarious. We're going to close the shop down for the day though, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Look at it.
Can't see the workshop anymore.
Euro 5. So much for being Euro 5.
It's like a gorilla in the mist.
It's getting even worse. Let's go there and have a look. Yeah.
Nobody wants to be anywhere near it.
That goes straight across the motorway.
Is it?
Fucking isn't though.
Fuck.
We could get the police in here. Oops.
That's what you have to do. I've got no choice.
Says outdoors. Look at the colour of it.
Clearing up now. Not as thick, is it?
Right.
Bit just blue. We had a bit of a flame then. The smoke stopped and there was like clear before the smoke.